Is this real? High-end repairs often only require the simplest methods, but this is too simple. I'm starting to doubt the authenticity of this video. The spot being tapped is the lower part of the front lip of the aircraft engine. You can see a large dent. No need to measure size. It's definitely over the limit in cases a permanent repair is required within a certain time frame. So should we also use the big hammer for 80? Use the small hammer to repair it. First, measure the size of the dent, including length, width, and depth, as well as the distance to adjacent fasteners. Check if it exceeds and needs repair. Then take out the mold made by the carpenter. These molds are basically 3D scanned and CNC machined, so their curvature and precision meet the standards. You just need a new profile. Shape it according to this mold. While shaping, the removal of the damaged area can also begin. Use a saw blade and grinding wheel to remove the damage, and treat the edges of the opening. Position and drill holes on the module. Spray the back with an anti-corrosive agent and paint layer. Finally, use Hi-Loc and other rivets to secure it. There's nothing wrong with this process, right? Charging you a few hundred is quite reasonable.